All right, so today we are going to be officially starting lesson 15, guys. This is an intro to adding, subtracting fractions, so it's going to be quick. We're going to have 2 days. We're going to have today, tomorrow. Quiz on Monday. Okay, it's going to be fast. Then lesson 16 is when you're actually going to be adding, subtracting. This is just understanding what it means. Okay, so that's why we're going quick on this. Go ahead and take out your MIPS math instruction book. Open up to page 186. 186. MIPS open to 186. Do I do what? All right. Adding means to join two. Adding means to joining or putting two things together. Okay. So think about how you could explain adding 2 plus 3. Okay? Adding 2 plus 3 to a first grader. You can start at 2, then count on 3. We have 2, 4, 5, 6. Or 6. 7, 5. Don't do that in first grade. Okay, 2. 3, 4, 5. There's our 3. 2 plus 3. Okay? When you add 2 plus 3, you're adding 2 and 3 together to get 5. Questions on that? Good. If not, I would want to transfer. Okay. Now, Peyton has a question. 186. You can put a segment with a length of 2/4 and a segment with 3/4 and add them together as fourths. 2/4, and we're adding 3 more fourths. 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. Okay? Just like 2 plus 3 was 5, 2/4 plus 3/4 equals 5/4. Okay? So you're taking all of the information, the knowledge from adding, whole numbers. You're basically doing the same thing. You're just switching it with fractions. Okay? Notice the denominator. We talked about this briefly yesterday. The denominators are the same. Question before we move on. All right, take a look at the next page. On a number line, put your pencil down, man, because I know you're not taking notes. You're drawing pictures. A lot of pictures. Pay attention. On a number line, you can start with a segment. Now we're subtracting. 5 minus 2 would be 5, and you count backwards. 4, 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Same thing with fractions. If we start at 5/4 and we take away 2/4, 5/4 minus 2/4, you can just go backwards. 4/4, 3/4. Any questions on that? Now, you'll have a chance for more blah, blah, blah. Use your own words to describe what you just learned. That's the end of the first half of our math lesson. That's it. Reflect. What did you just learn? Write down some gobbledygook, and then we will check it and then move on. that. I mean, if it's not, as long as you're right, but like a challenge. Give you another minute. And who would like to share what they wrote? Gavin's the only one. Good thing is Gavin is my favorite. Gavin.
You add the numerators and keep the denominators when adding, and when you're subtracting, you subtract the numerators and keep the denominators.
Okay. Anybody else want to share what they wrote? All right. Go ahead and flip the page. Let's explore the idea of counting on using number lines, and number lines are two ways to think about adding fractions. We're just counting on. That's all we're doing. All we are doing. 1/4, 2/4. What's going to be the next one? Write it down. One fourth, 2/4, 3/4. That doesn't look like anything. I know, it's awful. 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. Fill in the next three. Fill in the next three. I can see that those wheels are not really turning. Because if Tucker was down here, pretty sure he could figure out most of it. At least some of it. All right. 5/4, and we have 6/4. 7/4. 8/4. 9/4. Any questions how we filled those in? Now fill in the blank in the number line. Bryson, go. Also, your numbers are 13, 14, 15, 16. You may be on multiple set. Ah! This is scary, so on top of your head. We have 3/4, 6/4. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. 8/4. Any questions for Bryson while he's up there?
No.
Good. Now you're going to count on by fifths. 1/5, 2/5. Go ahead and fill in the next three blanks and then fill in the number line as well. Fill in the next 3 blanks plus the number line. I picked a boy last time, so I have to pick a girl into my contract. They show any favoritism towards boys or girls. I think it's ridiculous. I just think one person girl. Except for everything. Chloe, go ahead, go up, write it down. Yes. Well, don't worry, we're not there yet. We're right here.
She needs to.
Oh, it's on the desk. There you go. Three-fifths. It's not as easy as it looks. Very small. 4/5. 5 is good. Go ahead and put on the number line. Any questions for Miss Chloe? Nope. Very good. Oh, thank you. Now, what is more than 6/4? What is 1/4? Sorry, what is 1/4 more than 6/4? So what is 1 more than 6? 1 more than 5. 6. That's so easy, even a fountain kid can. You fountain kid. Fountain kid. You, I need a fountain kid. Kid that's in this fountain class. Anybody, come on in.
Yay!
Okay, no, you guys keep going. Yeah, I just need one fountain kid. All right. What is 1 more than 5?
6.
Good. See, I told you even fountain kid. You get it?
Okay.
Except those 1 more than 6.
Yes.
But the anyway. Okay. 1 more than 6 is 7. 2 more than 5 is what? 7. Okay. So what is 1/4 more than 6/4? 7/4. Go ahead and write down 7/4.
Okay, so you're adding.
Yeah, you're adding more than.
I didn't understand what it meant.
I know it's worded kind of funky. 1 more than 6/4 would be 7/4. Now, what is 1/5 more than 3/5? Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. How's my favorite Hartman doing? Good? All right. How's my favorite Greener doing? How's my favorite Lansinger doing? Besides working ahead when he shouldn't be. So, Tammy, take this. Go up to my and fill in number 5. 1/5 more than 3/5. My third favorite Savage. That's my 5th favorite Martin. You're not the only Martin. There are many Martins. Your mother, your cousin, your aunt, uncle, niece.
Martin Luther King Jr. Martin. Oh, wait. No.
Anyways, I just keep picking random numbers. Okay. Except for, it's really just to make Cohen feel special. All right, anyway. Okay, Sam says 4/5. Is Sam correct? Yes, he is. Questions on this before we head out? Now, on the number line, do those two problems. 2/4 plus 1/4. So mark 2/4 and then do like a jump. So on here, this is going to be 2/4 plus 1/4. Okay. Now go ahead and do the next one. Yes.
Oh, I wish I did.
Oh. Scoring paper McKinney. All right. Well, bless you, sir. You got the sneezers today. Go ahead, Turpin. Number 7 for us.
What's that? It's like science.
What are you doing?
I was emptying this bottle into this one.
He's done science.
No, I was emptying a bottle into another bottle. Okay. So according to Audrey, she is saying that 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4. Is Miss Audrey correct? Any question about what we're doing before we turn the page? Good? All right. Any questions at home? Let's go ahead and turn the page. Now we're doing subtraction. Oh, we already did this one. Hang on. The wrong page here. No, I know. Trying to find. There it is. All right. Now I found it. Take a look at 2 and 3, which we just did. Why do you have paper out? You have no need for paper right now, dude. Very good drawing. Okay. How is counting with fractions the same as counting with whole numbers, and how is this different? Go ahead and write your answers down for number 8.
He disappeared.
He's like
He's dead. Why not? Then we'd have almost an entire day without him.
Stretch.
What? Oh, this? So pretty. So pretty.
Who's number 16? Not me.
Not me.
I'm number 20. I'm number 25. I'm number 6. Who's number 2?
Nick.
I'm number negative. Number negative.
I'll do it.
Pencil shoe.
All right, number 8.
Pencil shoe.
Jocelyn. Oh, go and throw that broken rule away. That is dangerous. Jocelyn.
How is it? It was plastic and it's
Plastic sharp end.
Yeah.
Go ahead. What did you write down for number 8? How is it the same?
They are the same because they both
What did you write down?
they're the same because no matter what a whole number or fraction, every time you get the number of the denominator, that can become a whole, but it can also be a fraction if you keep going on for more than just 4/4 or 5/5 or 5/5.
Okay, you can go about that. All right, who else would like to share what they wrote? I already called on you, Gavin. Sorry, Parker, I haven't called on you. Read what you wrote word for word.
You just counting up 1, 2, 3, 4, whole numbers.
Okay. How's it different?
They're whole numbers and one is a fraction.
Yeah. Okay. Gavin.
You just insert a denominator and add the numerator like whole numbers.
Okay.
Like you just keep the denominator and add the numerator.
Okay. Number 9. Label the number line below to show 7/8 minus 2/8. And then show 5/6 minus 1/6. We're not Googling now. I know. Oh, that hurts. I can get like a shot. No. They said now it kind of hurts, just like when you get a vaccine the next day. It's just kind of tense. No, actually,
Sore?
yeah, it's just sore. But this vaccine that I got, compared to the flu vaccine, it was easy. Like flu vaccine, I feel like sometimes you kind of feel it when it goes in. I didn't notice this one. Yeah. Yeah, but this one, no, because it's not that big a difference. Yes.
I don't really get it. I got a shot on the leg.
All right, come on, dude. You haven't written anything down. Oh, it's in yellow. Oh, no.
Pencil.
Then ask for a pencil. Oh, goodness.
I remember last time I got a shot. I don't know when it was, but I got it in my leg.
Yeah, sometimes they hurt more than others, but no, this whoever was giving it to me was very did a nice job. I'll give you your yellow, guys. I couldn't tell now if you look closely. I could see it. Okay. Somebody asked. Who asked me? Okay, Peyton, come on. There you go, man. What is that making monster noises? It scares some people, they had to leave early. Told their doctor about their scary neighbor.
You also have to do number 10. Number 10.
Oh. All right, we go from 7/8 to 2/8.
5/8.
7/8 minus 2/8 equals 5/8. Is that correct?
Yep.
Just go ahead and do number 10 as well while you're there. You just get this because your last name or this person's last name kind of goes to your last name. Oh. All right, we have 5/6 minus 1/6, 4/6. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Very good. Yes. Now go ahead and do the try another way. Go ahead and try it another way with the models. Think about how could you do it? You want to do it? Calm down. One-eighth. Two-eighths. Three-eighths. And that's one way you could do it. Now, we're going to have 6/10 minus 2/10. Six-tenths minus 2/10.
I just put an X in it.
Yeah,
No,
that's
it's
fine.
good. I just colored it in. I colored it in.
Okay. Questions about what we have been doing or what we are doing? All right, so question about what we did today, guys. Stop presenting. There we go. Any questions? Oh, Taylor, you're on. You were not on at the beginning. At 12:10, make sure you're logged into your small group because we are going to be practicing / filming commercials today, okay? So make sure you're logged in to your small group at 12:10.
I have a question about small groups.
Yes, Gavin.
Nick is in our group, and so normally we won't need a Google meeting, but we'll need a meeting so that Nick can join.
Is Nick on now? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your group?
4.
4. So Nick, I will open up small group 4 for you to meet, okay?
Okay.
All right, yeah, because normally I don't. All right, so for math, because we did 2 lessons, you're going to have double the amount of work. But guess what? It's just like the first 2 pages are going to be like our first 2. This should be pretty quick, okay? So math, practice, and problem solving. 193 through 196. 193 through 196. You'll do it in your math practice and problem solving. Okay? Tear it out. Tear it out. It's a bet. Yes, Edison.
Are we taking a picture of it and putting it in our book?
We are going to, for this, we're just going to be checking it over together tomorrow, okay? Just have it ready tomorrow. 190, what was it? 193, 196. If you want to staple, you know.
Okay, that's what I was
Okay, so I will see you guys at 11:15.